Que lo que mi gente, what's up? It's your girl NIIKI Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how I'm going to bring back some moisture into my hair. My hair is feeling very dry. It's kind of breaking a little bit. So I'm gonna show you the 3 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen that will bring moisture, strength and shine to your hair, well, to my hair, and that you can also do at home if your hair is natural or relaxed. It works wonders on any type of hair. If you want to see what treatment I'm talking about, stay right there, keep on watching. Oh, and if you're here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the little bell so you don't miss my videos, and let's get started. So my first ingredient is avocado, a very ripe avocado, some coconut oil. That coconut oil, I made it myself. You can go check out the video on my YouTube channel. And last but not least is olive oil. So first I will mix the coconut oil. As I mentioned, I have a video where I show you guys how I make my own coconut oil at home. Don't hesitate to check it out. I will leave the link in the description box. So I take some coconut oil first. Then I'm gonna take some olive oil. I'm gonna be adding like 4 spoons of olive oil. And last but not least, the avocado. I'm removing the yucky part of the avocado, as you can see, and I'm adding the avocado. Now that everything is mixed together, I'm gonna mix it with a mixer, with a blender. How do you call that in English? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm mixing everything together so I could have a nice smooth consistency, nice creamy consistency. And I'm just smoothing everything out with the mixer or the blender. So now that we've prepared the treatment, let's apply it. I already have my hair parted in 4. Yes girl. Now let's go into applying the treatment on my hair, and I'm gonna put on some gloves. Some gloves. Voila. And I'm gonna start from the back. Oh, before we start, let's talk about the benefits of this treatment and why I am doing it. So I'm doing this treatment because my hair feels dry and because I have relaxed hair. When you have relaxed hair, after relaxing your hair, the relaxer strips away all the moisture and protein and all the good stuff out of your hair. So this treatment right here will provide moisture to my hair, a lot of moisture. So I have my notes, you know, so I can give you guys the right info. So the benefits of the avocado. The avocado is great. Oh, it's itching. The avocado is great for relaxed hair. It's great for relaxed hair. It has a lot of nutrients. It has amino acid. It has vitamin A, B, D, and E. It's excellent for moisturizing your hair, deep conditioning, and improves hair strength and shine. It also gives a lot of shine to your hair, and it moisturizes your hair the proper way. Now, the benefits of coconut oil. We all love coconut oil and we know what coconut oil is all about, but I'm still gonna tell you guys, to my subscribers, to my beautiful subscribers, what coconut is about. So coconut oil, it keeps our scalp healthy. So it keeps your scalp healthy. It moisturizes dry hair. So it's another plus, moisturizing oil. It adds softness and shine to the hair, prevents hair breakage, and promotes hair growth. all good stuff for our hair. So, and the last oil that I mix into this treatment is olive oil. And as coconut oil, we all know that olive oil is the bomb for our hair. So olive oil is an antioxidant, which is great for the skin, is great for your hair. But here we're talking about hair, so let's talk about hair. So it keeps your scalp healthy as well, just like the coconut oil. It keeps your scalp healthy. It promotes hair growth. It prevents hair cells damage. So it prevents your hair from damaging. It prevents your hair from getting damaged from the relaxers or hair dyes or any other chemical stuff that you apply into your hair. It repairs damaged hair and it gives strength to your hair. This tree combo is like holy water for the hair. It's perfect. It's just the perfect combination if you're looking for moisture, to strengthen your hair, to have your scalp healthy, and to have your hair shiny. Listen, I just love this treatment. So now let me go and apply it so my hair can look bomb and soft at the end of this video. So I have the treatment here. Girl, my hair, I don't know what's going on with my hair. I think it's lack of moisture. I haven't been moisturizing my hair as I should be, and my hair kind of like breaking. I don't know why. Well, I just said why. But with this moisture bomb, my hair is gonna come back to its sense and it's gonna start breaking. Oh, I give so much love to my hair and I want to break. But lately I haven't been giving it love because obviously I haven't been moisturizing my hair the proper way. And I live in France. It is cold, we're in winter, so coldness means dry hair, and dry hair means breakage. So that's why my hair is breaking. Okay, let me fix all this now. So I'm taking the treatment and I'm gonna start with my ends, from my ends to my roots. Then I'm gonna part my hair and apply it in each section. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Then I'm going to massage it and add some more. So I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for about 1 hour, and I'll be right back to wash it off. I'm applying this plastic cap because I might go under the dryer, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes like I just said, and then I'm going to, for an hour, not 30 minutes, for an hour, and then I'll be right back to rinse it out and wash my hair and show you the results. So I'm back. I am back, and I'm gonna rinse this out, and I'm gonna be using 2 shampoos. The first shampoo that I'm going to use is this one, the Avocado shampoo for damaged hair. Then I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature detangling and conditioning shampoo. Then I'm going to follow up with Africa's Best Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner, which is this one. So I'm gonna go ahead in the shower and wash my hair. Be right back. So here now I'm gonna do my roller set. I have a video already on how I just do my roller set, explaining you guys detail by detail on how I do my roller set. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box. If you want me to do a updated video on how I do my roller sets, let me know in the comment section or give this video a thumbs up. And it's kind of self-explanatory. I'm gonna let you watch and then I'll be right back to you guys. I'm back, and I was under the dryer for 45 minutes until my hair dried. Now I'm gonna remove these rollers and blow dry my hair. If you want to know how I blow dry my hair, I have a video where I show you how I blow dry my hair step by step. If you want to see it, I'll leave the link on the card, on the YouTube card on the screen, so go check it out. I'm going to remove these rollers and show you how my hair looks like before I blow dry it. So this is how my hair looks like before I blow dry it. It feels pretty soft. So I blow dry my hair and my hair feels pretty soft. It feels pretty good. Let me show you guys. My hair feels pretty soft. It feels moisturized. I really like how it feels right now, and I am loving it. As you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Like, my hair is kind of breaking a little bit. You see the little strands? Yes, right up here. I think it's because I haven't been moisturizing my hair properly, and I've been lapsing a little bit with my hair care, which I should be taking my own advice on taking care of my hair, but it's going to stop now. I'm gonna take care of my hair. Summer's approaching, so my hair needs to be intact for summer, because I leave go my hair more often in summertime. In wintertime, I always have it more in ponytails and cornrows and stuff like that. So let me know what you think. If you're gonna try this treatment, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share it with a friend who might need this treatment for their dry hair. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.